Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Mike Wazowski.
Thanks, Joe! Good luck finishing your crossword puzzle.
Sorry, Michael, I didn't see you.
That's okay. When I was on the bus, I found a nickel! I wish I had pockets.
Okay, everyone, partner up. Get your field trip, buddy.
Jeremy, you and me? Okay, no biggie. Haley? No, pairing up with Claire? Great choice. She's a good egg. Russell. Mike? Wazowski? We carpool? We're cousins. Hey. Okay, good catching up.
Well, Michael, it looks like it's you and me again.
Matt running to go see Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, Donald, Alden. It's date night with my man, and we are in Orlando. We are going mini golfing at a pirate mini golf themed course. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. There's 2 different courses, so we're deciding to go on the Blackbeard's challenge. And this one's the harder one, so let's see. Let's start with hole 1. Matt's doing his little practice shots. You know, when you're a pro, you gotta do that. It was honestly such a nice night out. We had no rain, no anything, just the waterfall, the golf course, and some nice joints.
Fly around boomerang. Get the pond. The boots in the water.
Matt made sure I recorded the pirate in the water. He must have jumped the plane.
Match my ball.
He's so cute. He even matches his ball with his outfit.
Soft so you can get like straight from here, or you hit it hard so it comes back, because there's a little hill here, so it has to go on top of the back.
Oh man.
Don't record that one. Oh shit! That bridge?
time playing golf. We're getting there. We're at hole 16. We have a few more.
Oh shit, look at this.
Blackbeard's course was designed so well. Like, everywhere you turned, you saw something new, something different. It was just so dope. There's even a treasure chest! So we finished the course, and the guy saw my score that it was so shitty that he gave us a free token to come back tomorrow. Day 2, and of course you already know we had to do the other side of the golf course. Yesterday we played and we got a free pass to play, so we went to Captain's Adventure and we decided to play the whole course before it started to pour. We are in Orlando at Pirates Cove. If you go, tag me so I can see you guys at this fun golf course.
Get better on my hand.
There were so many pirate ships, made me feel like Pirates of the Caribbean. Since Matt and I do have our annual passes to Universal, we usually do that in the daytime. We do the parks, then we always want to do something fun at night, so we sometimes will do mini golfing, we'll do food trucks, roller coasters, anything fun. We love the adventure and thrill. Matt almost got a hole-in-one at every hole. There's my man. Of course, you know, we always got to get that Happy Gilmore in there. This side definitely had more green on it. Fun fact, if you guys didn't know, I used to be on a golf team varsity in high school, so, but you see how good I am. This hole had 2 holes that dropped down, so Matt wanted to try the other side since I did the one that was forward, and they came out literally the same spot. Now we're walking over the bridge. I can't tell you which side I liked better because this side had tons of waterfalls. Like, it was super loud, but it was really nice. And then we got to see this little hotel that literally reminds me of Lord Farquaad in Shrek. Tell me it does not look like that. So we're running out of time in the video, but we did finish the last hole. It started to pour after.
Oh.
Play with it!
I think I killed it a little bit, I'm not gonna lie.
So precise. We are currently in the largest McDonald's in Orlando. They have an arcade. This is the kids section. Oh my god! Do it. This is crazy. Build your own pasta. Keep going. Pizza, McRib.
Oh yeah, you can build your own pasta, build your own pizza. It's been a long time.